Imagine making a passive income of $20,000 in only 7 days, utilizing an amazing AI website called ChatGPT. To wrap up, you'll find a brief summary of today's video towards the end of this video, in addition to the used websites links that you will find in the description below. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. It may be utilized to compose code, generate content, develop scripts for YouTube, make AI art, and much more. You can automate the process of creating content with ChatGPT and save a ton of time and money. So to start using ChatGPT, click on Try GPT, then hit the sign up button, and then freely register for a free account with ChatGPT in order to get started. After signing up, you will be taken to a new tab, which is the Tools homepage, where you may use its features and start asking the chatbot any questions you like. Get a blog topic that fits your niche that you will be using for the entire process as the first step. In order to rank on Google for that, you will need to conduct some keyword research to locate low competition terms in your niche. And that's where PromoterKit.com can be of assistance. The greatest free SEO tool to locate low competition keywords. PromoterKit.com provides over 30 online marketing tools, and even PromoterKit helps millions of webmasters and entrepreneurs grow online. So simply go to this website and register for an account. Click on the sign up button right here and provide them with your personal information and confirm your account. By clicking here, you will find it in your email inbox. It takes seconds to do it. After creating an account, scroll down a little, you will find the free SEO tools. From there, pick the keyword research. Enter your niche term here, let's say referral marketing, then verify the box that states I'm not a robot and click search. This free tool will then give you a list of keywords along with their monthly volume, paid competitions, and CPC within a brief period of time. Now choose those keywords that have a large number of searches but low competition, such as this one. Affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing Amazon keyword has low competition but has a high monthly search volume. So back to ChatGPT once again. Now copy one of these keywords and use it to create an article. I will take this one. In order to do that, simply return to the chatbot and type in list of blog topic titles related to your niche keyword. For me, I will type affiliate marketing Amazon and then hit enter. This tool will then produce 10 different topic ideas for you that are linked to your area after a brief period of time. You can also click on the regenerate response button if you felt that nothing took your attention from these 10 options and you want to see more unique ideas. Finding your blog's outlines is the next stage. You can do this by choosing any of these titles that chatbot provided you. So by typing the outline of the blog for the following title, then by adding the title you like, and you press enter. This tool will instantly produce an outline for this specific title after a few seconds, as you are seeing how fast it responds and generates. The new phase is getting the substance for your outline, therefore, let's move on. Simply copy the opening paragraph of this blog outline and type. Give the blog section of this outline, then copy and paste the first section afterwards, hit enter. The introduction to your article will then be automatically written by ChatGPT in a matter of seconds, as I told you previously. Simply copy everything above here and paste it into your Google document file. Return to ChatGPT and write. Provide the blog section of this outline, after which you copy the second section and paste it before pressing the enter key. Simply copy everything after that, then return to your Google document right here and paste it there. To compose a complete blog entry, proceed by repeating these procedures for each of the remaining outlines. Now that a whole blog has been created using ChatGPT, if you want to rank it on Google, it's time to transform it into a human-generated blog. Therefore, select the whole text and copy it, then type DupliChecker article rewriter into Google to find the paraphrasing website and chose the first one right here. Afterwards, paste the whole web page into a text area, click the first link, scroll down and click paste. I'm not a robot must first be checked before selecting the rewrite article, and now click it. This program will now completely rewrite the content on its own after a few seconds. However, now easily copy the article's revised text, return to the original Google document you created, and paste it there. It's necessary to determine whether the blog was actually created by a human being. So we will use the artificial intelligence content detecting tool, which is the huggingface.co website. The good thing about this AI content detector tool, you don't need to sign up, so you will finish from this step by a minute. Now click on the search bar and type Roberta Base OpenAI Detector to find it out quickly, or you can click on the link, you will find it in the descriptions. It will appear on the right side of the screen. After that, copy a few lines from your text and paste it in here and hit the compute button down here. After that, the program will give you a percentage indicating how human-like the text is. To pass as fully human-generated, you should aim for material that is at least 90% like that of a human, as it's shown here for our text. The next step is to post the blog on medium.com once it has been created by a person. You may expand your audience and increase your exposure by using the well-liked blogging site Medium. The use of this site is entirely free and open to everyone. Create an account on the website first before publishing your blog on medium.com homepage. You will find on the right corner where it states, "Get started," click it. Then it will provide you with 3 options for signing up: Google, Facebook, and by email. Pick the one you prefer, then it will ask you to enter your full name, and afterwards choose 3 from these you may be interested in. Finally, select the Write button located in the top right corner of the page, where you will blog your post, and the title should both be copied and pasted into the editor. Now update this blog with a featured picture by clicking on the plus icon on the left side of the text. You may simply do this by choosing a free image from pixabay.com or pexels.com that is relevant to your topic. Next, include several affiliate links on your blog to increase your earnings. Use Medium's built-in link insertion function to do this by selecting the text you like to add an affiliate link on and selecting the chain icon from the editor toolbar. Your link will be ready to use once you've pasted the affiliate link into the URL area. After you've added the link, the highlighted text will change into a clickable hyperlink that, when clicked and activated, takes users to the specified URL. Using this tool is an easy and convenient method to include affiliate links in your Medium blog entries. You will now receive commissions whenever someone clicks on this link. Whenever you post a blog on medium.com using affiliate links, it's essential to let your readers know about you. You may accomplish this by including a disclaimer, something simple as the one you're seeing, currently both at the top as well as in the body of your article. It's essential to remember that Medium already has an audience, and you can use that audience to increase the number of views on your post. Additionally, Medium has an algorithm that aids in presenting readers with high-quality content. Therefore, it's essential that your post is well-written and useful. Simply add 5 blog topics as the next step to let readers know what your article is about. Let's use topics like affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates, how to make money online, Amazon affiliate tutorial, and similar topics as an example. Afterwards, start a new one by clicking the Publish button, and you can even schedule it for later. As you can see, Medium.com has finally published our article. The following stage is to increase blog traffic. There are several methods to accomplish this, but social media promotion is one of the best. To reach a larger audience, share your blog article on a variety of social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money. Then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.